does mean with that number?
No, no. It's just the number. It's the specific plane.
Yes. It's just like number plate.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Can I put the video on my YouTube channel or my
Sure.
Facebook? Yeah.
This here comes down.
Yes.
Drive right up.
So one company could be in here.
Yep. This here comes down.
Yeah.
This comes down. You can drive right up it.
So one company about 150 men.
Oh yes. Yes. Yep.
So how many times you were in this?
Just I flew
plane?
from Okinawa to Da Nang,
Yeah.
and from Da Nang back to Okinawa. That
Just
was the
two times on C-130.
on C-130.
Hercules.
Huh?
Hercules.
Yes.
This one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just two times on C-130, and many times on Huey and Chinook.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mainly Chinook, some Huey.
Some Huey, yeah. And it was Chinook CH-46.
46. Yep.
46.
Is there anything in that building?
It's a museum. You can take a look.
Yep. Yep. The old sandbag.
Yeah, this replica restoration.
Yep. Long time.
Yeah. 56 years.
Yep. 56 years ago.
Wow. The memory is
They
fading
must
away.
have something in there. They got it locked up.
Yeah. So this is you were staying in
Yeah.
the
So this here's got
barracks.
pathways.
Yeah,
You know.
like this. Similar.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Do you call it barracks?
Barracks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of these bunkers would have sleeping too. Could sleep in them,
Like a sleeping bed.
like a plywood.
A cot is called.
Yeah. Yep.
What is called is sleeping cot?
Yep.
So were you inside the trenches like that?
Yeah. Yes. Yep.
Okay. So would you like to look at the trenches there?
No, I saw them when we were walking.
You can walk up.
Yeah.
Take a look from above. Yeah, here's the trenches. Yeah. Trenches. Careful.
We'd be able to sleep in there too.
You were sleeping in.
Yeah, we could sleep in those.
Yeah. Does it look similar to
Yeah.
to it back then in '68?
Well, you know, a lot older, a lot. But yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Be careful. in 1968 in January you were down there, further there.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could. Oh, turbines.
Yeah. Windmill.
Yeah. First ones I've seen here.
Yeah. We have many in
Do ya?
Yeah. Renewable energy. You like it? So.
Kill birds.
Kill bird.
Yeah.
What does it mean? The bird flying.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's enough. 6 minutes.